Hey beauties, it's Riri, and today's video is my Allure Beauty Box for the month of September. If you're unfamiliar with the Allure Beauty Box, this is a $25 monthly beauty subscription. And you can opt to pay for like 3 months at a time, 6 months at a time, so on and so forth. I typically opt to get it for about 3 months, and then I don't get it for 3 months, and then I get it for 3 months, because I have generally found that with Allure Beauty Box, it is mostly skincare heavy, which that is my preference for this box and the reason I get the box, but obviously we cannot use up skincare that quickly. So we are going to dive in. We get a little pamphlet that will have all of our information and deets and things like that. And first up is the Dove Turmeric Milk and Lemon Drop Plant Milk Cleansing Bar, a glow booster. That sounds amazing. And this is a new launch for Dove. I know that there are other scents because I also got one as kind of like a freebie thing in my FabFitFun. Ooh, that smells nice too. Ooh, I'll report back on this. That is gonna be great. Next up, a skincare brand we see quite frequently is Ren. This is the Ren Clean Skincare Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream. Next up is the Red Flower Cleansing Hair Wash in the Palo Santo scent. That is not a scent that I like, so I will most likely not keep this, but it's nice to see in the box. Next up, oh, something I'm definitely gonna try and looking forward to trying is the Nudestix Nudies Matte All Over Face Blush Color in the shade Sunset Strip. I've heard nothing but good things about this product. And this is a full size. Next up, something that I've gotten before and I really did like. This is the BFC or Beauty for Certain lip gloss. This is the Diamond High Pigment Gloss. And it is sheer with just a lot of sparkle to it. Next up is the Dear Midnight The Stella Lip Liner Pencil. And it looks like it's going to be kind of pinkyish nude shade. I like that packaging. And then last but not least in here is the Clean It Zero, the Cica Relief Calming Cleansing Balm. And I have used the pink ones that I've gotten quite a few times. I've used those and they're really nice. So as you can see, pretty much skincare heavy, although I'm incredibly shocked because this time around we got a liner, we got our blush, and we also got a gloss. So holy freaking crap, like if you are a beauty babe instead of a I want skincare, you would have also benefited from this box. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 little products. I will quickly run down our deets. And if you are curious about my nails, people tend to ask me about them. They are the Kiss Impress press-on nails. They are the FX line. They're always going to be linked down below. And then my eyes today are the brand new Danessa Myricks, the Lightwork palette. And I also have that link for you guys. So it will kind of say why they chose the products that they chose, and then it will run down each product, which I love that about this. It will run down each product, how to use it, why they chose it, pricing, and things like that. So we had our Nudestix, the Nudies Matte All Over Face Blush Color in Sunset Strip, Naughty and Spice, or Picante. I love it. Nudestix Cream Blush rises above the rest because each shade gives your cheeks and lips a natural glow of color that brightens up your whole look. How you'll use it. Swipe the color onto your cheeks and temples using the included brush to buff it out. Dab it onto your lips for a monochromatic glow. These are $35, and then you can receive 15% off with code ALLURE15, valid September 1st through October 31st. I think I'm gonna try this. Obviously I have a little bit of makeup on, but I kind of have it more placed up here, so I feel like we can get an idea of how it looks. And again, this is in the shade Sunset Strip. So that is the color. I don't know how I feel about this brush. I'm personally probably not gonna use the brush. I just don't like stuff like that, you guys. And I typically will work from a firm brush or work from the back of my hand and then go in with a brush. So I'm gonna, oh, that's pigmented. I'm gonna work from the brush and pat it on the back of my hand. And that just kind of makes sure that we're not going in with too much product. Oh, that is lovely. Ooh, pretty. Get a little bit more, press off the excess. I feel like you could really punch this up too, which those are my favorite types of blushes and bronzers. I like to build and be able to like layer a little bit at a time. That is lovely. I already have like a plumping gloss on, so I don't want to take that off, but I will update you guys. I'm happy to have this. I've actually been wanting to try this, so super exciting. All right, next up, we had our Ren product. This is the Ren Skincare Radiance Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream. Why you'll love it. It's hard to find an eye cream that actually makes a difference in how your under eyes look, but with consistent nightly use, I have noticed this formula helps lessen both discoloration and puffiness. How you'll use it. Tap it on with your pinky or ring finger so you don't stretch or tug on the thin, delicate skin around your eye. Retail price is $51 for 15 mils, so this also is a full price. So this automatically pays for the entire box. And you can receive 20% off of all products with code ALLURE20, valid September 1st through October 31st. Next up was our Beauty for Certain High Pigment Gloss in the shade Diamond. Clear and glitzy, this high shine gloss has the prettiest shimmering effect on lips. It makes them look fuller and feel more hydrated, and it doesn't slide right off. Quite the contrary. This gloss wears well for a couple of hours. And obviously it's a gloss, you're going to have to reapply throughout the day. How you'll use it, swipe it across your lips for a dewy, glossy look, or tap into the center of your lips for a more subtle highlight. This is $22 for 3.5 mils. I do not have my glasses on. It is a full size, so another full size product. And you can receive 25% off of all full size items with code ALLURE25, valid September 1st through November 1st. Next up was our Dear Midnight Atelier, the lip pencil in the shade Stella. This pinky pencil helps define lips so that they look fuller under your favorite lipstick or shiny new gloss. It also helps stop the color you put on top from smearing or bleeding. How you'll use it, trace your lips, of course, and it is $18 for 0.03 ounces. Receive 20% off of any full size. Receive 20% off of all full priced items with code ALLURE20 from that valid September 1st through November 1st. Next up, we had the Banila Co. Clean It Zero Calming Cleansing Balm. Clean It Zero is a beloved K-Beauty cleansing balm. It melts into an oil texture, easily sweeping away makeup and leaving the skin softer in the process. This updated version, This updated version is every bit as sumptuous with the added benefit of skin-soothing Cica. And Cica is actually supposed to help with redness as well. Like normally I have a lot of redness and rosacea, so I'm excited to test this one. And then how to use it, scoop out a little bit and massage it over dry skin, add a splash of water to your face and massage again, then rinse. And if you're short on time, you can just do it while you're in the shower, it says. And then you get, retail price is $22 for 100 mils. We did get 7 mil in the box. And they also have a coupon code. Receive 25% off with code ALLURE25, valid September 1st through October 31st. Next up is the Red Flower Palo Santo Cleansing Hair Wash. Why you'll love it. This sexy, woody smell of Palo Santo, a South American tree, is the stuff of niche perfume heaven. And it's even been used as a natural remedy for easing stress. Now your hair can smell like one of the perfumery's most revered woody notes thanks to Red Flowers shampoo. It is $38 for 300 mil. We get 40 mil in the box. You can receive 20% off your first purchase with code ALLUREBOX20, valid September 1st through October 15th. And last up in our box is the Dove Plant Milk Cleansing Bar. We could have gotten coconut milk and sugar, lychee, oat milk, and berry. I think that's the one that I got in my FabFitFun. Or turmeric milk and lemon drop, which I'm excited to have. If you're new here, I love anything lemon, y'all. Anything lemon. Why you love it. Bar soaps are usually more utilitarian than fun, but Dove's sweetly scented bars actually liven up your shower. The fragrances are subtle while you're sudsing, so you get a hint of coconut or berry or lemon as you start or end your day. And they don't linger on skin for long, so they won't compete with fragrances you wear. The soapy lather is gentle and easy to rinse off. And obviously, we all know how to use a bar soap. I hope y'all know how to use a bar soap. And they're $5.99 for 5 ounces. So I'm thrilled. I'm giving this box a 5 out of 5. I think it is a fantastic value for everything that we got in here. And I like too that there's oftentimes newer releases for the Allure Beauty box. So I'm thrilled. The only thing that I for sure know I'm not going to use is the cleansing hair wash. That is it, beauties. Comment down below and let me know what you thought of this box. Do you receive Allure Beauty box? What are your favorite boxes? Let's have that conversation down below. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you to my beautiful channel members. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.